Excuse me, kids? Have any of you seen, like, a big red bird?
Woo!
Oh, my lord!
We have liftoff!
Oh!
Yeah!
Woo!
Stella! Another one of those damn kids jumped out in front of my car! Come on out here to help me take him in the house!
Don't worry, Billy. Just walk it off. You're gonna be okay. He's not gonna be okay.
I can see that!
Well, Mission Control, that launch was a failure. But in every failure, there is a lesson that takes us towards success. What lesson did we learn today?
Billy doesn't react well to being hit by a Buick?
Well said, Stinky Kid. So how do we solve that problem?
By playing in the street till we get tough enough to take a hit from a Buick?
Good thinking, Maggie. Your training mission Control, is to go play in the street. Serpentine! Damn! I thought at least Maggie would make it. Apparently, they don't got the right stuff.
What the heck is wrong with you?
Lots of stuff, according to the doctor.
That's a lie. We live in America. You know we can't afford a doctor. No, I'm not having this argument again. For the last time, homeless Joe, who gives away free proctological exams under the freeway, is not a real doctor.
That's bad news for those little astronauts.